So AMC today, guys, we got almost a test for the squeeze zone around the $2.25. What's that mean? We have to discuss this today because the price pulled back right at the market open, and we did almost 7% here. And you see here, this red candle happened right at the market open after a few minutes, and we pulled back down. So we have to discuss this before we go further. Remember, our content always for educational purposes only. And of course, we gonna do update for AMC and GameStop and other stocks before the jump every time on our Discord and Bitcoin. As you can see, yesterday we did major update for many stocks on our Discord. We do pre-market, of course, unicorn hunt, and of course here on the King Swing elite trades. Of course, this one we discussed the stocks that have earnings and the stock that have a potential to squeeze like snow. We did before a few weeks before the earnings, which did almost 30% for this play. So for now, what we should expect for AMC, because the price pulled back. Yesterday we discussed the AMC and we said we need to hold over the $2. We have this wick. The good thing is we didn't have a 5-minute candle close below the $2. This is show us that we have a big buyers below the $2. That's why we have a wick and the price didn't hold below the $2 and we consolidate. And today we have another jump for 7% to test the resistance around this level, the $2.26. But unfortunately, we didn't break this level because the whole market was a bit bearish and a bit weak. And didn't help AMC to go up because AMC is a bit volatile. And that's why we have a pullback. So you see what's happened. We got shorted and a huge link or huge wick toward the $2.26. The good thing is we pulled back, but we didn't have a huge pull to $2. We have a huge and a weakness pretty much 172. Here we did and we saw $2. So there's two scenarios. The good one is holding over the $2 and breaking the $2.22 toward the. This will be a significant confirmation that we got more buyer than seller. If we broke 26, yes, the short sellers will cover toward the 250 and then $2 where we went before the offer price around the $2.10 yesterday. The other scenario is breaking below the $2 with so much stronger than the will take $1.70 the reversal up. This is the we are in between, which is show us that we have balance right now between the buyers and sellers. That's why the price is consolidating sideways at the moment. Let me just show you what's going on in the markets, just not for AMC, but the other indicator that the market is a bit bearish for oil and silver. This is usually not the case that silver goes. Look at that. Usually when silver and gold go down, oil go up, and vice versa. If oil went up, silver and gold go down. Usually I do this market. Once I see this, I buy this and short that. But now the market, the whole is a bit bearish, going down. So this is just the market. Now the only thing is strong right now, more than gold, is semiconductor stocks like Intel, AMD, and Nvidia, still at all-time high recently and didn't lose much. Even the last 1 week, if you just do the percentage gain for semiconductors, the last few months they up almost 100%. So this is the exception right now because everybody looking for AI and semiconductors. But the most of the sectors are down. So that's why AMC is down with print oil and silver. But there's always opportunity, of course. If we have the price go down, I will watch for a dip reversal, especially for AMC over the $1.72. If we did, we believe it. And for tomorrow and after tomorrow, if you always watching or trading with us live, we're going to take a bit of time off for tomorrow and after tomorrow, coming back next week to continue the live streaming and update you about the trades and of course game plan. However, in Discord and Patreon, where we do our update in pre-market, we're going to continue our update over there and our Discord and Patreon. If you want to join us, of course, or have updates for the market, you can on the link in description below to our Discord invitation, where we're gonna do update, of course, for tomorrow and after tomorrow as usual. Meantime, thank you for watching, guys. And of course, watch out for AMC, because right now is on the consolidation mode.